Hello everybody and welcome to Yippee Toys. Today we're going to be cooking up some yummy goodies in this just like home microwave oven. Today we'll be cooking up some bread, croissant, a raspberry tart, and we'll even cook up some surprises. A surprise egg, a surprise fashions, and the surprise Shopkins. So let's start cooking. How about some breakfast first? Let's cook up some bread. Our bread is all ready. Now we're just gonna use this knife to cut it. And now we can serve it. Yum! How about we cook or warm up some croissants? It looks like our croissant is warm. Cut and serve. How about some dessert? A raspberry tart sounds good. Raspberry tart is all warmed up now. Let's just cut it up and serve it. Yum! Now that we had breakfast and dessert, it's time for some surprises. We have Shopkins to cook up, a surprise yellow egg, I wonder what that's going to be, and a pink fashions. I wonder who we'll get. Which one should we do first? Let's go with the big yellow egg. It looks like we got a purple surprise. I was sure it was going to be yellow, but it's purple, and it's a Hello Kitty surprise. It looks like tattoos. Let's see the kind of tattoos we get. Wow, that's a lot of tattoos. Super cute. Wow! Okay, let's do a next surprise. How about a Shopkins? Now this Shopkins is empty now, but when we cook it up, there'll be a surprise inside. It's all done! Okay, hopefully we get it rare or ultra rare or even a special edition. Cute! We got a Lammy Lamington. She's a common. We also got a Wanda Wafer. She is a rare. Cool, at least we got one rare. Okay, now let's cook up our next surprise. It looks like it's gonna be a fashions. Maybe not. Let's see. Liza fashions. My Little Pony fashions. Let's see who we got. Cute! Do you guys know who this is? I don't. If you do, let me know in the comments down below. This pony is super cute. And I love the color. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. We post new videos every day. Until next time, bye-bye.